Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get your first client as a graphic designer. So the first thing that you're going to want to have done is have a good portfolio. Having a portfolio just shows the clients your work and really just kind of see whether or not they like your type of style. So having a portfolio is really important and probably the number one thing that you're going to want to have first. Even if it's a small, tiny portfolio, it doesn't have to be huge. It doesn't have to have every single design in there. It just has to be something to where you can show them, like, hey, I've done some artwork. Here's an example. And yeah. So first things first, have a portfolio. Now the second thing is pricing. Now, I would just look at your opponent's pricing and kind of see like what they're pricing theirs as, and I would kind of just compare mine to theirs. Something, I mean, probably like you don't want to compare it in a like bad way, but just kind of see what the other people, other graphic designers are doing, and kind of just see what their prices are and see what you can charge for your own design. And that's really it for pricing. I mean, you can overcharge, undercharge. I mean, everyone does it once in their life where they either undercharge something or overcharge something, and it just happens. So just price your work what you think it's worth. Now the third thing is where to find clients. So clients are kind of all over the place. You can do freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork. You could go on Discord, and there's Discords for them, Twitter. I've actually heard Reddit's actually a good place to find clients. I have not tried that myself, but I heard Reddit's a good place. But what I personally do is I cold DM on Instagram. I cold DM people on Instagram. I basically say, hey, I'm a graphic designer. I make YouTube and Twitter banners and thumbnails. So if you're looking for a graphic designer, please hit me up. Here's my portfolio. And I just constantly send this out. So in theory, what I do is I go to the explore page. I look up like hashtag YouTube channel or hashtag YouTube video, and I do this on my phone. And then you go to the recents, because you want to be asking people who are recently posting about their YouTube channel, their YouTube video. And then I just start copy and pasting, cold DMing every single YouTuber that I see in that hashtag. And then I move to the next hashtag and I just keep cold DMing them. Like, hey, I'm a graphic designer. I do thumbnails and banners / headers. So if you're interested, here's my portfolio and let me know. And that's about how I get my clients. I get a couple through Discord too. I mean, that's really it. So that's the third thing, is where to find clients. Now the fourth thing is how to close. So closing is really important. Nobody likes talking for 10 years. You just want to get straight to the point. Hey, graphic designer, are you interested? Yes or no? If they say yes, perfect. Show them your artwork. Let them see it. If they like it, then you want to hop on that train pretty fast, because I've had a couple sales where I didn't close it fast enough. They weren't as interested, and they're like, you know what? I don't need your service anymore. And so closing really fast is important, but you want to make sure you're closing it to where it's professional and not like money hungry or anything. Be like, hey, pay me now, right? So what I personally do, and this is going on to the fifth thing, and this is kind of like how to make them pay. What I personally do is I send them over to my Fiverr gig. And so by sending them over to my Fiverr gig, they pay through there, and that way I make sure I get my payment and they get their artwork. So it's completely professional. Everyone gets what they want, and that's it. So I pay through my Fiverr personally. Other people may use Venmo, PayPal. I don't do that just because they could scam you, right? So if you did like Venmo for payment, then you could do like half before, half after, but then they could scam you out of the half after. So I'm just like, you know what? I'll just give them my Fiverr gig. They can buy it through Fiverr, and then I get the money and they get the product. So that's how I personally do it. But there are pros and cons to using Fiverr / PayPal or Venmo or whatever you use. So I kind of go over that really quickly. So the pros of using Fiverr is that you get more reviews, so I can drag in more clients through Fiverr, because I won't lie, I don't get any clients through Fiverr. I have to actually do the work myself, as of right now. But getting reviews is really important to get more clients, so Fiverr can lead you to more clients, get you a better selling status. The cons to Fiverr is they take a pay cut, but you can take that pay cut if you're getting clients through Fiverr. Like, it's worth that pay cut if you're getting clients through Fiverr. So it's not really a con, it's more of just like a slight pro. But that's how I get my clients. If you're interested in kind of a more in-depth video of what I do, or kind of, if you like this type of content, if you want to know more about clients and the client work, or if you want more tutorials, comment down below, let me know. This is kind of a different type of video for my channel, so just let me know. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment what you liked about the video, comment if you want more videos like this or tutorials, or comment what you guys want to see from this channel. And I really appreciate the support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.